Recipe for a full goat BBQ with spicy mutton BBQ that could make a fantastic YouTube video. Spicy Mutton BBQ Marinade. Ingredients: 2 pounds of mutton, cubed. 1 cup plain yogurt. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons ginger, grated. 2 tablespoons paprika. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Adjust to taste for spice level. Salt to taste. Juice of 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons oil. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine yogurt, minced garlic, grated ginger, paprika, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, chili powder, salt, lemon juice, and oil. Add the cubed mutton to the marinade, ensuring it's fully coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. Full goat puke. Ingredients: 1 whole goat, 25-30 pounds, cleaned and dressed. Prepared spicy mutton BBQ marinade. Salt and pepper to taste. 3-4 cups wood chips hickory or mesquite, soaked in water for an hour. Instructions: preheat your BBQ grill to medium-high heat. Pat the goat dry with paper towels and then season it generously with salt and pepper. Place the goat on the grill and cook it for approximately 3-4 hours, rotating occasionally to ensure even cooking. Use a meat thermometer to check for an internal temperature of 160°F71°C for medium doneness. Throughout the cooking process, baste the goat with the spicy mutton BBQ marinade using a brush to keep it moist and add flavor. In the last hour of cooking, add soaked wood chips to the grill to infuse a smoky flavor into the meat. Once done, remove the goat from the grill and let it rest for about 20-30 minutes before carving. Filming tips: preparation shots show the marination process and the spices being mixed together. Grilling footage: capture the grilling process, showing the goat being placed on the BBQ and occasionally basted with the marinade. Time lapse: consider a time lapse of the cooking process to condense the long hours of grilling into a shorter video segment. Presentation: film the moment of carving the goat, displaying the juicy, flavorful meat. This recipe provides a flavorful and visually appealing BBQ experience that can make for an engaging and mouth-watering YouTube video.